Welcome to the Oracle Integration Partner Update. I'm Jürgen Kress, part of the product management team and your host. This month's topics include our new community website, hands-on trainings to become an integration expert, and our community webcast. So let's get started. Our community website is the one-stop portal for all information, including the monthly newsletter and webcast, the Slack channel documentation and access to the external website, sales material including Sales Accelerator, Playground and the free trials, upcoming hands-on trainings and certification, and marketing activities like Partner Finder and Cloud Marketplace. Also make use of the site assets including all our community webcasts, sales material, marketing material and many more documents. So please visit the new website. For consultants who want to get started with Oracle integration to connect SaaS, we offer a free hands-on bootcamp. The training is a 3-day live virtual class where you learn how to connect Oracle SaaS. The upcoming schedule includes all time zones, including Asia, Latin America, US, Europe, Middle East and Africa and Brazil. Additionally, we offer in-class training in Bangalore. The training also prepares you for the Oracle Integration Cloud certification, the free Sales and Solution Engineer certification. For integration experts who want to understand what's new in Oracle Integration 3, please join us for our next Partner Community webcast. As part of the Live Lab, we will focus on Oracle projects, events and native actions. Please tune in on February 25th at 4:30 CET to wrap up today's presentation. In case you're not yet a member in the Partner Community, please register now. Access our new community website with all resources. Attend a hands-on partner training and become a certified expert. And join our community webcast to learn more about Oracle Integration 3. All links are available via the resource page. Thanks for watching.